Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Today we would teaching you to solve quadratic equations using the method of splitting the middle term. So let's get started. We would be dividing the tutorial into 3 steps to make it easier for you. Step 1. Splitting the middle term. Say the equation is x squared plus 5x plus 4 equals 0. This is an example we would use to teach the concept to you. Always remember that the value you see accompanying the x, which is 5 in this case, is the sum of 2 terms, and when those 2 terms multiply they are equal to the integer in the equation. So, in this case, 2 variables add up to 5, and when those 2 variables are multiplied they give a product of 4. As you can see above, any random 2 variables, a and b, add up to 5, and when they are multiplied they give a product of 4. Hence the answer would be 1 and 4. Here is why: when 1 and 4 are added they give the result of 5, which is accompanying the x, and when they are multiplied they give the product of 4, which is the integer in this case. This shows us that the value of a and b would be 1 and 4. Hence, we now split the middle term based on the 2 values we have obtained. Here is how: a equals 1 and b equals 4 as we have obtained. So based on these 2 integers, we rewrite the equation like this: x squared plus 1x plus 4x plus 4 equals 0. Here you can see that the middle term, which was 5x, has become 4x plus 1x, which is still the same, just they are represented as a sum. So, no change is actually occurring, we are just rewriting the phrase as the sum of the 2 integers obtained. In this process we have split the middle term into 2 parts as shown above. Step 2. Placing the equation in brackets. In the previous step, we have obtained the following equation: x squared plus 1x plus 4x plus 4 equals 0. In this step, we just place this equation in brackets. First we need to simply put the equation in brackets like this. Just place a plus symbol. Here is how it looks: x squared plus 1x in brackets plus 4x plus 4 in brackets. Always make sure that integers with common factors are put in the same bracket, like 4x and 4 in the above equation. Now we need to simplify each bracket so that both the brackets become the same. Here is how it is done. We obtained x squared plus 1x in brackets plus 4x plus 4 in brackets. Now we have to simplify the brackets like this. Take the x outside in the first bracket and the 4 outside in the second one. We get x into x plus 1 plus 4 into x plus 1. Here, you observe that both the brackets are now the same. Once you do this, you simply have to cut one of the brackets which are the same and make a new bracket with the numbers put outside the brackets. Remember, one of the brackets remains. Here is how it now looks: x plus 1 into x plus 4. You can see above how the x and 4 have been brought together in a new bracket and how one of the x plus 1 is cancelled while one of them remains. Remember, now the brackets are being multiplied with each other. There is no plus sign. Step 3. Finding the roots. Finally, you just have to find the roots with the brackets obtained. This is very simple. We obtained x plus 1 into x plus 4 in the previous step. Now, we just have to equate each of the brackets to 0 to find the 2 possible values of x. Remember that x always has 2 possible values in a quadratic equation. Here is how it is done. First let's take x plus 1 and equate it to 0. Here is how it looks: x plus 1 equals 0. Now use algebra to find the value of x. X equals 0 minus 1. So, x equals minus 1. One of the possible values of x is minus 1. Now we find the other possible value by equating the other bracket too. Here is how: x plus 4 equals 0. So, x equals 0 minus 4. Finally we obtain x equals minus 4. Now we know that the solution to the problem is x equals minus 1 or x equals minus 4. Thanks for watching our video. Like, subscribe and share to watch more interesting math videos. You can ask all yours doubts in the comments section below.